There are three main risk factors for Legionella in an industrial water softener. Age is the first factor, as bacteria grows in water that is older and not moving. The second risk factor is temperature. As water sits in an offline tank, its temperature often increases into the optimal Legionella growth range. Disinfectant level is the third risk factor. Levels decrease in stagnant water, which increases the risk of Legionella growth. In a traditional water softener, one tank processes the water while the other tank and pipe sit stagnant, effectively creating a large series of dead legs. During this process, the one tank usually stays offline for 1 to 2 days. This, paired with often warm conditions of boiler or mechanical rooms, becomes the perfect setting to grow Legionella. When the softener comes back online, the stagnant, often warm water goes out into the building when leaving the tanks and dead legs. The Legionella Control water softener is different in that the water continuously flows through the first as well as the second tank. This eliminates the stagnant water from ever being in the softener tanks and pipes, vastly reducing the chance of Legionella and pathogen growth. Since water is constantly moving through the system, it effectively removes all three Legionella growth risk factors. The water doesn't age in the tank since it's always moving. The temperature does not have a chance to increase since it never stops or sits stagnant. And lastly, the disinfectant levels don't decrease because the water doesn't stop moving through the tank.